Hi, my name is Olivia, and I'll be showing you my LibGuide on the brewing industry in the United States, specifically beer brewing and breweries in the United States. My LibGuide is just one page. I decided to put everything on one page, figured it was easiest. I included the codes for both breweries in the US and then craft beer production, because craft beer has become a huge part of the breweries in the United States. I also included a definition of what exactly a craft brewery is, just to differentiate between the two major large companies versus what really makes a craft brewery. Right here, I just chose 3 databases that I thought would be most helpful. They are not anything specific to brewing or beer or anything like that. But I really think these 3 sources are great places for them to start, and then to find further information that they can then base their research on even more, to go in depth. And then in this box here, I have 3 books. One is specifically about craft beer, and then the other 2 are beer in general. So Who's Buying Alcoholic and Non-Alcoholic Beverages is a Gale e-resource book that just explains the demographics of beverage consumers. And then the Oxford Companion to Beer is a first of its kind reference book that covers the history of beer and defines the important terms. And it is also written by some of the industry's top experts. And then I included quite a few more web resources, just because I feel that within the brewing industry, I feel that a lot might be related more to the large companies, but I found that a few of these websites are more focused on the craft brewing, which is really a big part of the industry now. So the Brewers Association is specifically for small and independent brewers, and Beer and Brewing is Brewing Industry Guide. This is published by the magazine Craft Beer and Brewing Magazine, so it is related to that. But of course, these 2 have information, statistics, policies that relate to the industry as a whole. And then the National Beer Wholesalers Association provides a lot of industry news and statistics related to all types of brewers. And the National Alcohol Beverage Control Association really is focused on more of the policies and more like the government side of the industry. The Beer Institute is a national trade association for the industry and provides information on both big and small brewers. And I included the Alcohol and Tobacco Tax and Trade Bureau because while all of these sites in some shape or form provide statistics, I really think that this government agency will be able to provide you with historical statistics and, of course, the most current statistics. And while you might think that it's just related to tax, but they do keep track of numbers of items sold. So this is my LibGuide. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope you check it out. Thank you for listening. Bye.